Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Sorry about the delay, but I was a little bit busy. How's everybody? How's everybody doing? Bear Trader, hello there. AVR Dream, hello. Good morning. How's it going? How's it going? So the London session was pretty much full of crap. I'm sorry to say it like this, but it was really bad. And the market is now heading to previous day high. So I guess we have to look for higher time frames to get some answers, because I don't think we're getting any answers on this 5-minute time frame here. So nothing on the 4-hour. We're seeing the daily chart here. We might want to get some up close candles. So previous day high could be a good target, but nothing special. Nothing is even on the 15-minute here. Not much. So as long as it's going higher, I'm not really interested to jump in. Although we are very close to previous day high, which was PM session. So FX, hello. Greetings. How's it going? So that is all we know. That is all we know. Yeah, so as far as I see, we're just going higher and higher. We have the Asia low still intact. We have the 5-minute demand zone. That's what I'm going to be looking for, by the way. And I'm also going to be looking at some possible inversion gaps here. And that is it. J Trades, hello. What's up? Welcome. So that is all I'm looking for. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, I'm not really looking for a continuation higher here, but we'll see. Shenanigan, welcome back. How's it going? Anybody has a trade on, maybe? Anyone is looking to take any trades? Or has anything on? I'm certainly looking for this one to go below this level. Actually, that's okay, that's a 15-minute gap. Anyway, I'm hoping for a close somewhere below this 347 level. That is all I'm seeing here. Charting, not much yet, right? Yeah. If it keeps continuing higher to that 429, I'm not really interested to do anything with this. And what about gold? Let's see. Gold actually tagged the 1 minute supply zone up there, but there's no target on the downside. I can only imagine it could be going back higher and go back to the zone and then maybe target that 5100 level up there. Oh well, it might gonna be a not too exciting session as far as I can tell. What's happening on ES? There's not much to do on NQ. Do we see anything on ES that we can go for? Anything on the hourly chart maybe? Okay, that's nothing. Nothing. All right, so practically there is a zone on the hourly chart. Not really sure if that's the goal, but that kind of gives us an idea, like where is this gonna go? And that is a 1 hour supply zone. Okay, so we have it right there. Can ES go up there again? I think it can. All right, so we have a bullish bias on ES. It's definitely a bullish bias for sure. Got rejected. 7,026 would be the level, but at least to try to approach. Yeah, we're at 7K. Yeah, ES is going to be bullish, or at least it could be. And nothing on NQ. But yeah, previous day high, most likely. That's the gameplay. Marco ZFG, hello there. And MS Angwanini, hello. Welcome. Mitch, hello there. Yes, near previous day high. Yeah, it is. It is. And that's why, like, we only need 40 more points on NQ to go as well. So I think ES is bullish. If ES is bullish, it could be pulling up NQ. Yeah, we'll see. We are having 13 likes. Can we get to 35 at least? 35 likes. Can we do that? Let's do it. Thank you so much. Jip Smith, hello. What's up, Jip Smith? What is going on? Sorry, just a second. Just a second here. I got to update something real quick. Whoa, just a second. I'll be right there. We are having Asad Nazarov joining us. Welcome. Sorry, I was just typing some messages here. But I'm here. Hello, Gabor. Hi, kellemes délután. I'm a vacation. Zalakörös. Szép. I like that. Trace, good morning. Barito, good morning. Doing great. I'm just waiting. No entry. No, I'm flat. I have no trades on. So I have 0 trades. Hello, Trading Star. What's up? Guys, I was having such a bad London session. 3 stop losses in a row in this crap. And I felt like, I think I made the right decision by cutting the stream because nothing was happening here. And so I just had to have a at least a shorter London session. I mean, this was so bad, so bad. Look at the 5-minute. So instead, I just went to the gym. Smoke every day. Smoke weed every day, yeah. And no, not really my style. Yeah. You're in long now. All right, let's go. I think we're going through that previous day high. It definitely seems like it. I think ES is also going to be bullish today, looking for that 1-hour supply zone up there. Most likely NQ will try to push it up. So good luck with the long positions there. Metaphor, I know. I know it's a metaphor. So yeah, we're pushing up there nicely. Take a long on ES. It might be a bit. Well, if you take a long on ES, even if it goes higher, like we swept some liquidity, we picked up liquidity from the 15-minute fair value gaps, from the hourly. This was a nice structure continuation, I would say, a momentum here yesterday. Really good push. The 1-hour supply zone is still, and I will talk about this at MyFunded TV too, so it has not been taken out, so it's still in play. And actually the market already tried 2 times to go over that zone, so I think ES will try one more. Now this just gives us the idea that NQ is also gonna follow, maybe slowly, but it will follow. Like, I can do one thing here. I'm not sure if it's a wise thing to do, but maybe I can like jump in with like 2 micros or something. I'm not sure. Still not sure about this. If I don't see it on the chart, I might not gonna force myself into it. Greetings, Karen. Hello. Welcome, welcome. So far, I don't see anything. Yeah, but it's going up nicely. 29 points to go to take the high. No YOLO trading, Michal. No. Candles aren't expensive on either ticket, yeah. But it's going up nicely. And I think ES is going to pull. ES is going to pull this up to 29. Good morning, 44th X Punisher, 80 of their name. Top step is trying their hardest to repel the traders with all these predatory rules. Every day I wake up to a new rule. Oh, that is crazy. So they have so many new rules, it seems like it. Well, I can imagine that it could be a little bit frustrating. Yeah. How we are doing with the likes? We are having 27 likes and we have 100 viewers, which is great. Can we get above 50 likes? Can we do that? Of course we can. The new live rules, which no one is liking. It's very clear that they are struggling to pay out traders after this silver hype. Oh, so I guess some traders made a little bit too much money, right? Tristan, hello. Some traders made a little bit more money. Do you have a set number of contracts you start a trade with, or does it? It's it's definitely varies because it depends on the setup. It depends on the entry, depends on the volume, you know. There's multiple factors, but like it's anywhere usually between 1 to 10 micro. I like the micros. I can scale in and out. It's easier to manage risk, but like I would say usually 2, 3, 4, 5 micros, depending on the situation and the market, of course. So, yeah, it's like this. TopStep has become a terrible trading platform. I mean, Project X was nowhere good before as well. Like they were clearly having some issues. So now it seems like that they're still having issues with the platform. I mean, I heard I heard a lot of complaints. I was not trading with them and not with Project X. Their Trustpilot rating has dropped overnight. Oh. Wow. I think I saw someone posting on X that it went down to 3.5 or something. All right. So just wait. I'm just gonna wait. Onicat, and I'm more like an indices guy. I do trade gold as well, but like 10% of the time I trade gold, and like 90% of the time I go with indices, like NQ most likely. So yeah, and still going sadly. Oh no, it seems like just a money grab instead of training ground for traders. Yeah, I mean, I traded with them. I got my first ever payout from prop firms with Top Step back in 23. And it was a good one. Hey, Terry Trades is here in the house, everybody. Let's all give a warm welcome to Terry. W's in the chat for Terry. And lots of love. Doing the makeup now. Okay, listen. You know, this is what we like. We know that she's here. She's doing the makeup. She's doing the hair and everything. And now we have that magical supervision from her. You know. Terry is here. Have no fear. It seems like we're going for previous day high. A little bit interested to take a position on this, but I'm not sure. But it's pushing. As long as ES is going to be bullish today, I think we have a chance for NQ to break higher. But even if we do, you got to watch out for that 500 level. Yes, she is here. Now we are all safe. Now everything is going to be absolutely all right. What a day, everyone, by the way. What a day. Okay. 9 more points to go, and NQ will break previous high. Let's see. Never was a fan of the CEO, always such a fast talker, and YouTube channel is always jumping the gun. Curiosity vibes, all talk and no walk. I mean, I don't know too much about their CEO. So I know that they're trying to become, actually, I think they're become a brokerage already or something like that. But let's just face the facts that they were having too many issues lately with the platform. I think that caused quite a few trouble there. So that was the issue. Yeah. Off we go, it seems like. Well, 10 more points. It should be going through. ES is going to be bullish. I think ES, in this case, we're going to go over 7K again. And as long as the 7K is going to hold, then 7,022 back to the zone up there on the hourly. That's what I think can happen. And yeah, that's it. Could see a bit of a pullback here. No surprise on the 1 minute. I'm not going to jump in. So let's just wait. Yeah, exactly. AVR Dream. So they are becoming a brokerage, but at the same time, they're having a lot of trouble with the platform. Do they have TradeAway still? They don't have TradeAway. They only have Project X, right? So if they only have Project X, then those glitches should be repaired first. They should be providing a flawless trading experience, right? That would be crucial if you want to be a brokerage, and especially if you're coming out with your own platform. It's crucial to make everything work absolutely flawlessly. Like, yeah, glitches can happen, but like not like this for every single week there is something going on. So, and first of all, they have to, protect their reputation. They started the firm in 2010, I think, so they're definitely OG prop firm, but lately it's all downhill. Yeah, and I really hope that there's going to be absolutely no issue with MyFundedFutures. I'm telling you guys, it's really the steadiest prop firm out there right now, and that's why also, like, I'm just glad to be part of the team there. And Tommy Tom 1975, hello, thank you for joining the channel, welcome. So that's why I'm actually happy that I can be part of the team. I think it's absolutely rock solid prop firm. We do have some great names out there who are solid and trustworthy. It's just a bad thing that Top Step is going downhill. Yo. Yeah, I think they're changed it to intraday. Correct me if I'm wrong. I haven't really checked the details. I think they went intraday, if I remember. If I know it correctly, I think they went intraday trailing. I need to, we need Terry to win the debate. So we got to come up with some funny debate topic. Guys, give me some great ideas. Some really good. I mean, I need debate topics that one side will be absolute winner and the other side has to be something ridiculous, and I'm going to take that side. So there you go. Terry is here. Give us some ideas. So it has to be like one side has to be a real good one and the other side has to be an absolute ridiculous side, and I make sure that has to be, I have to lose that. Really. King debater. I'm not rigging the debate. I want to make sure I lose it. Consistent profitability is just luck versus markets are random. I don't understand. I mean, I know what you're saying, but how about you should never use previous level to trade with? Okay, that's actually good, AVR Dream. I like that. You should never use previous levels. I mean, to trade with. Like, yes, you need to use previous levels. Obviously, everybody knows that you need to use some sort of a level. Let it be a swing high, swing low. So if you don't use levels, you're just basically in the blind. The thing is, I can turn it around. I already know what I'm gonna say. I already know what I'm gonna say for that. No, that's not cheating. I'm just I'm taking the I'm taking the side of you know, I like the yeah. So I'm trying to take the side that is actually impossible to argue with, like risk management matters more than strategy versus strategy is everything. We talked about that, I think, Dominic. I think we talked about that. I was thinking your master debating skills would be good as an attorney. Yeah, I think so too. I actually, a couple of my friends told me that I should go to for some sort of a local elections here, like not for president, but like in the town or somewhere. Like I should go for a mayor or something. They think I would do well. I can speak for both sides, you know, for those who love me, for those who hate me, for those who like me, those who hate me. I can say both good things. Yeah, we're having a bit of a drop here on NQ, but what is happening on ES? I would. I would. As long as risk limit doesn't cause paralysis from trading, trade small for sure. Oh, yes, yes, yes. So we had this, you should never use previous levels to trade with. So I guess that's good. I like that. You should never use previous levels to trade with. I mean, who doesn't use? Who is not using levels to trade with, right? It could be a pivot point. It could be a fair value gap. It could be a swing high, swing low, whatever, right? That's all what we do. We're looking at previous levels. If you're not using any of those levels, then what the heck are you doing? You should never take losses. Yes versus no. Okay, that's easy. You should never take losses. Why would you take a loss? You're not taking a loss. Before you're hitting the maximum loss limit, you just purchase a reset and you go again. Every trading influencer who have more than 10K subs should show their monthly P&L with records. Ooh, that's a hot one. Ooh, trading star. Just stepped into the deep. Well, actually, okay, that's deep. Let's see. On the topic that you are definitely going to lose. What is that? Trading 1 micro versus 10 minis. Oh, I like that. It's not a loss. Yeah, it's not a loss unless you take it. People are gonna cry for sure. Trading Star nailed a very deep and hot topic there. Oh my gosh. You know what? It's actually this single topic alone opens up so many questions and so many things. So we could talk about this single thing, Trading Star, for hours. You know what? Because it could be part of regulations as well. No joke here. It could be part of possible regulations. Like, what if it would be part of any the new regulations? Like, okay, if you're an affiliate with more than 10,000 followers in social media, let it be YouTube, Facebook, whatever, you are obligated to publish your monthly P&L and how much you've spent on evaluation accounts. Oh, that could be very, very interesting. That would be a lot of drama there. That's a lot of drama. That would be very spicy. Yes, Terry, that would be very, very spicy. Like, you are obligated, you need to, by the law, you need to, like, like any of your social, you have to post your monthly P&L, expenses and payouts as well. How much you've spent on accounts and how much payouts you received. And obviously, if you lie because you Photoshop your results, then you can get sued or something like that, or you have to pay some penalty or whatever. So, oh, wow, that is... Yeah. Dominic, your ideas are good. Consistency means same result every month. Yes, no. Consistency means same result. I'm saving, by the way, these topics. I'm just saying, I'm saving these things right here. Okay, I'm saving Dominic's as well. I like this one. Okay, what else do we have? Winning market strategies that absolutely involve the Hungarian. No, we're not. Okay. Trading 1 micros versus 10 minis. That could be a fun one. I'm just saving it for fun. You should never take losses. Yes or no? I mean, that's pretty much. Prop firm should send a report per month with these stats. Instead, puts the prop firm in the line of fire, increase their light. Yeah, that's an interesting. Yeah, K-Bell. Info, I would like to evaluation cost per month included. Yes. You know what, K-Bell? I think that's not a bad idea. It has its ups and downs, though. Every trader who stream not allowed to hide their eval or funded account numbers. Ooh. Ooh. Trading Star is really on fire. You know, I'm saving everything here. Here are the topics. I'm saving it. I'm saving everything. Okay. Not exactly sure, just what I heard regarding warrior trading. What's up with warrior? I think it's actually... Oh, sorry, I forgot to read that. I think it's an actual law that people can't mislead with marketing, but a lot of people don't get caught. I think warrior trading got sued for and had to pay money for misleading marketing. Oh, wow. That's interesting. Daniel, hello there, and hello everybody. If I forgot to say hello to anyone, then hello. That is very spicy. Kind of scrolling. Risk management matters more than strategy. Oh yeah, we talked about that. So yeah, I like these topics. I like these topics. So these are the ones that we have. You should never use previous levels to trade with. That's one. Consistency means same results every month. Yes or no? Yes or no question. Oh, sorry. Yes or no question. Trading 1 micro versus 10 minis always. that would be a fun one. Every trader's stream not allowed to hide their eval or funded accounts. Ooh, and this is an extremely spicy one right there. That's an extremely spicy one. Oh my gosh, we might have to get some legal on that. Which topics can we talk about and which one we don't. But I like that. And by the way, quick check, everybody. We are having 49 likes and 165 viewers, which is absolutely amazing. Can we get to like 80? Can we get to 80 likes? You know, that would be the 50% ratio. Vadimas, hello. All is great. I'm kind of waiting for a setup to happen here. It seems like we're dropped down as we approach that previous day high. ES also dropping lower. Now ES also has some levels here. ES has a 5-minute demand zone here, and also like there. So we have some zones. Demand. So this is a 5-minute, and this is also a 5-minute demand zone. Could be going down, who knows? Sure, you can add. Does access to indicators and tools actually improve retail trader performance? Okay, I'm going to I'm copying that. Let's copy that. I like it. I added it. If anyone wants to add some debate ideas that we can talk about, is blowing up an account necessary learning experience? Oh my gosh, these are really good ones, K-Bell. Okay. Okay, I like that. Vadimas is long on NQ. Let's go. I'm saving it for later. Traders should trade normally every day versus traders should target $100 or 100 minimum profit target to get their payout. That's an interesting one too. I like the idea. Let's save this one as well. Okay. All right. I'm going to copy this for later. Let me know if you guys have anything in mind. I'm saving it. Gold dropped quite a bit. Look at this. We are having 57 likes, 170 viewers. So can we get to 80? All we need is 23 more. 23 more likes, and it's super easy to do. I'm still waiting for a setup, everybody. So I'm just waiting. Seems like we're still holding this area here. Look at the RTH gap from February 4. We hit that 50%. Oh, we did? Let me check it on my other screen. So we did hit that. A little bird whispered that. Okay. Yeah, RBA. So I'm using fair value gaps to help identify ying moves and trends and shifts in the market, but like it's not just fair value gaps. My main thing is supply and demand zone, but fair value gaps help me to identify if the market is reaching for a certain amount of liquidity, or maybe possibly, you know, turning back, like maybe right now turning to downside. If we're closing below this 348 or even lower, actually it would be safer to 340 because that's a 15-minute gap, then I could be focusing on Asia low and lower down to this order block at 242. I think we're going lower, by the way. So I know we have some news, right? Do we have some news? Yeah, we have core retail sales in 37 minutes. 37 minutes core retail sales. Expecting a little bit worse numbers. Which could be bearish for NQ. Who knows? But we're having news. That's the thing. When you will raise it, hit multiple. When you will raise it, it was hit multiple times. When, well, if it was hit, sometimes I still keeping it because on a higher time frame. This is, for example, I was on the 5-minute. Now I switched to the 15-minute, and I'm keeping this 15-minute fair value gap. And I'm using it as a possible inversion fair value gap. It's like a smart money concept thing. I know everybody hates smart money concepts, but this is something that can give me some guidance. Like, okay, if we close lower than this 15-minute IFVG, then maybe the structure is shifting and going lower. Obviously, this is the 5-minute, and the 5-minute still has a gap down there at the 340. I just didn't put it there to the chart, but yeah, depends. Vadimas got stopped. Sure, you can add. Is retail trading modern day gambling with better branding? Ooh, that's also a little bit hot topic. I like it. Let's go. Copying it. I copied it. I'm gonna save everything later. Looks like we're going lower. Asia low is gonna be the target I'm looking for. I am actually tempted to take a position here. I am tempted to take a position. And I'm going to tell you why. For one, we closed below this 15-minute gap. I know it's only the 5-minute, not the 15, so we still need extra 5 minutes. I mean, I know I'm trying to justify this trade, which I shouldn't. But anyway, I jumped into a short. And let's try to make the best out of it. Actually, I have to switch accounts because it's on a different account, and it's already going up there, of course. Let's put a buy stop. Actually, my entry is 346. I know it's a bad entry. I don't care. I'm gonna go for Asia low. Even if we want to one, that would be okay. 1 micro. My stop would be 408. 408. 407 is fine too. And my TP is gonna be 242. Actually 244. Okay, that's one. One more buy stop, and the next TP should be at 286. Let's put it to 407.25. All right, it's being set up. This is the trade that we're in. And we have some partials down there. If we can continue lower, we'll see. Yes, to London low. I checked it on my other chart here. Yeah, but we still have some zones. Look at that. Actually, I'm going to put an alert here for ES. I'm kind of hoping that we can drop because NQ has nothing up there. That's the thing. Like NQ has really nothing up there. Absolutely nothing. And I know we have news. I know. I know. But I'm just like, you know. Every prop firm should display how much money influencers are making monthly. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's save it. Wow. Okay. These are getting hotter and hotter topics. Loving Nature Guy, hello. Oops, Simba, the Lion King. Good afternoon, hello. Debate idea: is retail day trading a personal skill game or a structural trap designed for traders to fail? Oof. You guys are... Yeah, this is getting serious now. Okay. This is getting real serious. Sure, I can recap my entry. So why I thought about this situation. First of all, it failed to go for previous day high, which is not a problem. I'm still a little bit early on this. There was a 15-minute fair value gap here, which has not been inverted. Actually, it was inverted once here, but that was before the 7 a.m. kill zone. So the market pushed higher, swept some liquidity, yes. And then in 18 seconds, so that's still a little, you know, guys, 13 seconds. Let's wait this one out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now it's valid. All right, now this is valid. So this 15-minute candle is now closed below the gap. So it practically inverted it at the right time. So time and price, right? Asia low has not been tagged, and NQ has no targets. Like, I'm always looking for supply and demand zones all the time. I'm always looking for that. You can be looking for something else. It doesn't matter. I mean, to me, I mean, if you look for something else, that's good. I'm looking for supply and demand zone. I checked everything here, everything, really everything. Nothing up there. Nothing on the 5, the 15, nothing. ES has 2 demand zones down here, and as you can see, ES is dropping nicely. NQ has only one single demand zone down there. One single, I mean NQ, down there at 242, and we have Asia low at 278. Those are juicy targets. We are expecting also bad numbers, which could be a little bit negative for NQ. Who knows? But, you know, if you hear a rooster, which is going to be this alert, that means that ES reached the first demand zone, and we could expect an SMT, which means there's going to be a pop. But the thing is, I'm actually hoping that we will go down to Asia low, take that level, take the demand zone as well, and, you know, just get on with our day. That is what I'm kind of hoping for. But we'll see. If we move lower, somewhere around the 300 or 315-ish area, maybe I would move my stop. Maybe. Right? Actually, I could move my stop right now. I think I could do that. I mean, we can ask. I mean, it's not always a bad thing, but yeah. The rooster alert. Yes. Oh, it tagged your cloud line. Nice. And then it dumped. Well, that's a good indicator there. Let me check the numbers again. We are having 64 likes and 206 viewers. So can we push a little bit more? Just a little bit more. We need 36 likes. 36. Can we get 36 likes, everybody? I know we can. I know. Help out the channel if you can. Also, by the way, I haven't really talked about that lately too much, but only on the end of the stream. But if you would like to grab some Anthony Jr., hello there. Thank you for joining the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome. So what I went to say is, if you would like to get the best available discounts and deals in the futures prop firm space, please use the code TOMSABO. Up there, you can see it in the banner. It's good for all these prop firms that you see. MyFundedFutures giving you the best discount with my code. The Rapid accounts, the Pro accounts, the Flex accounts, you can get the same deal. I mean, a really good deal. And also, Take Profit Trader daily payouts, Trade Day daily payouts. Apex is down 80%, Bulenox 79% off. And Funded Futures Network, the buy one get one for free promo is still there. Remember, it's not just the best discount, but it's been proven that 1.98% chance better to pass any evaluation account out there in the prop space. So if you want to get that extra chance to pass those evals, the TOMSABO code will get it to you. Right? That was cheesy. But the thing is, if you'd like to support, thank you so much. Thank you, Emiliano. Thank you. Yeah, so 26 minutes until news. I feel like the closer we're getting, we should be. I mean, I wouldn't mind a drop here. We are at 78, 22 more likes, and we did it, everybody. Oh, EDP employment. No, it's 25 minutes. Or is it? Oh, the weekly employment change. Sorry. It says tentative, but maybe it's going to be in 10 minutes. Who knows? All right, so we're seeing some possible liquidity could be hitting the market. $83 likes, 17 more to go, 17 more likes to go, and we made it. Here comes the alert on ES. Everybody cover your ears. Once we hit that 69, 68.75, the rooster is going to come and scare us. Should be hitting that demand zone on ES. Yeah, it's gonna happen. Oh, it's not going yet. For me, I mean, we're getting closer to Asia low, and I think NQ has a real possibility here to get it. That would be an alarm from Rocky Mountain Trader. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so far it's not dropping yet, but who knows? So this is a watch party for ES and NQ. On the left side, you see the NQ trade. On the right side, this is ES. I'm kind of looking for it to drop down to that demand zone if it can. We actually swept the low here. I mean, yeah, it went down there to the swing low. We could see a bounce on ES. But overall, I'm still kind of hoping that it will go lower. Once it goes down there, I think, well, NQ should take out Asia low. So quick numbers check. We are at 88, 12 more likes, everybody. Just 12 more. Dr. Bob Elliott, thank you for joining us. Hey. Welcome to the stream, Dr. Bob Elliott. Okay, here it comes. Come on. We're waiting for ES or NQ to drop. I mean, which one is going to be faster? Are we going to see the zone on ES or are we going to see Asia low first? Looking for a partial TP there. Cover your ears if ES goes to this level because the rooster alert is going to be very loud. Oh, wow. What is happening? There's a possible bounce here. Still waiting. Oh, wow. This is bouncing. Bouncy, bouncy. It's bouncing. We have 93 likes. 7 more, everybody. 7 more likes. Can we do it as a team? I know we can. 6 more. We're down to 6. Three more likes. We have 97 now. 3 more likes to go. Just 3 more. 101. Thank you so much, everybody. We reached the 100 level. 103 now. This is how it's done. You guys are amazing. Everybody is super amazing. Thank you so much for pushing it to 100 likes. This is really, really, really amazing. Everyone is just... This is like super awesome. So now let's see how's it gonna go. Are we gonna see the drop to the zone or not? I'm gonna get some partial TP there on NQ. Let's see if ES takes the zone. Does seem like it. Uh-oh, it's getting there, it's getting there. The tension is real, but nice drop here. If we could get that partial TP, I would move my stop. I think. Not sure. Yeah, we have news. We have news in 18 minutes, and we have ADP numbers in 3 minutes, which I don't know if that's going to be a major impact or not, but yes, we have news. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this bounce. Not good. I will always put 2 likes, one from PC and one from phone. Thank you. Thank you. The scalper, hey Tom, what was the verdict with my friend about number of accounts? I still have no information. They still told me that no verdict with the pro accounts yet. I mean, I just asked it. I mean, they didn't say this like there's no verdict, but I just asked around and no answer yet. But you know, maybe I'm just gonna toss in the question for the support. Maybe I'm just gonna ask support, you know. I'm chatting with support. All right, I asked support. Nothing happened with the pro. We're just curious how much, if we can have 5 funded accounts from the 150k pro accounts. Yes, turning around, unfortunately. Well, it's not a shift yet. It's not a shift yet. But you know, I guess the numbers came out. Yeah. Some numbers came out for sure. We were close to the zone. Alexander, hello. 350k and 550k. It sounds about right, but I had to make sure to ask support. Because you know, it's not on the FAQ page. I didn't find it there. I tried to, but I wasn't sure. Either of these two. All right. Yeah, 550K accounts, but what about the 150K pro accounts? Dominic is saying 3 times 150K, the pro funded accounts, which means $450,000 maximum allocation on the big granddaddy accounts, I guess. I just wanted to make sure, so I asked support about that. Actual 6.5 forecast, previous, let's check the number. Okay. That's actually positive news, right? Yeah. Should be negative. Yeah. It's actually positive news. CPI is, I think, on Friday, but let's check it. Tomorrow is non-farm payroll. And Friday is CPI. Friday is going to be CPI. So only size. Yeah, anyway, I asked the question, so maybe support knows better, hopefully. But yeah, it kind of makes sense with what Dominic said. What a push here. Wow, okay. So ES failed to move lower. What is ES doing on the 15-minute? Nothing. Repriced the 15-minute gap. I'm not sure I'm liking this move. And we have news in 12 minutes. It seems like a bearish breaker, by the way. So we could be going up to the 350s or even higher to 360 easily. Easy peasy, lemon cheesy. Going up there. What's the name of the timer? I think you find it. It's a free indicator. I'm actually going to find it for you. I know I have an email. So you go to a website. It's called masscapital.uk. Actually, I'm going to. So this is, let me paste it to you. This is the website, masscapital.uk, and it has free indicators. You can download the free indicators, and it's called, what's it called? It's called Better Bar Timer from masscapital.uk. They give you an indicator pack, so they're giving you multiple free indicators, risk reward indicator, market static. I don't really use these too much, so the timer I think is really helpful, just to remind me how much time I have. So it's free. It says tomorrow for CPI. Forex Factory says differently. Interesting. Short is still valid. It's technically valid. I mean, on the 15-minute chart, it still looks valid to me as well. Even if it goes higher, I still like it. It's a shame it didn't take the Asia low. You're in the ES, okay. Well, ES could also sweep some liquidity from the zones. So, but we'll have news soon, and we'll see how it goes. Higher number, more jobs added the week Stronger labor, lower number, fewer jobs added. United States data employment change weekly. Okay, some more jobs added. Accounts was the older limit. They added 550k accounts to your limit and same limit others. Not sure about the 20k. I think it's only for the big accounts, maybe the 150k accounts. So if they reply, I will let you guys know. High resistance day and tomorrow low resistance. Yeah, today could be a high resistance day. Like this level is really hard to get by, but I think, you know, so far we're good. So Dominic, I do think what you said is still valid. We're still good. Okay, 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes to go. Any contract tapped? Exactly 1 tick. All right. I mean, it looks heavy, but it all depends on the news, like, and after the news, like, the news can be wicking both ways here. But what happens after the news and what happens until and after the market open? The first 1 or 2 minutes is the thing, but news will drop. Let's see. I'm gonna grab some coffee or something to drink. I'll be right back. Smash the likes, make sure to subscribe. There are going to be giveaways, not today, but maybe this week. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Let's watch the news. What's happening? 25 seconds to go. Let's zoom out so we can see how it's going to stop us out. Because it is true. 10 seconds, everybody. All right. Ooh. All right, here's the news. Trading Star, you're banned. It could be going up, but joking. The Market Reaper, hello. It could be going up. Actual zero forecast. And that's the problem. So let's see the numbers. Retail sales 0. Okay, numbers are bad. Numbers are bad. This is actually a good number. This is not a bad number. These are bad numbers. So no problem, Trading Star. So I really want this one to go lower. If not, it's fine too. Let's watch for ES as well. ES is struggling a little bit there. We'll see. I don't like this movement at all. I don't like it. Okay. Kind of cool. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna sign off because I have like at least 3 phone calls I have to make, and I'm gonna be at MyFundedTV in 28 minutes. So I'm gonna leave the trade on, and I'll be back shortly. Tomorrow, London and New York as usual. Hello there, Youssef. So I'm just signing off. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see how this trade goes. If you guys would like to catch up with us, then join us at 9 a.m. MyFundedTV. Then if you would like to support the channel with any of these preferences that you use, Lucid Trading, Apex Trader, Bulenox, MyFundedFutures, whatever, please use the code TOMSABO. It helps a lot. And without that, it couldn't be here full time. Please tell the market makers to pump the market. I'll try. I do what I can. I have the bet phone right here. I have the bet phone to call them. All right. See you guys on the flip side. If not tomorrow, I'll be here in London and New York again. All right. God bless you all. Cheers.